This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable track changes in Microsoft Word. I will be using Microsoft 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To enable or disable track changes, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Review tab. You want to click on Review. Then on the ribbon, you want to go down to the right of the ribbon, right down here in the tracking area. It says Track Changes. If you click on the top of it, as you can see right now, mine is disabled. It's not highlighted. If I click on the top part of it up here, now I have Track Changes turned on. And to turn it off, I would just click on the top part again. Now it is turned off. Down below that, you have a drop down. If you click that drop down down below it, it says for everyone, just mine, or lock tracking. Lock tracking uses a password to discourage others from turning off track changes. But to enable it or disable it completely, you just click on the top part up here. Thanks for watching.